Good morning. I am Anamay Shukla from class 10th of PBRP Academy. Here is my second experiment of physics. It is the experimental proof of the law of reflection of light, that is angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. So firstly I have taken a setup with a white paper on it. I have drawn a straight line MN on this white sheet of paper. Taking any of the point as O as center, I have drawn a normal from O. It is of 90 degree. Now we have to prove that angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. For this, we need some angle of incidence. Let us take angle of incidence as 60 degree. We will make the angle of 60 degree with the help of this protractor, taking O as the center. Now I have darkened this line. Let this line be OA. This is our angle of incidence and it is 60 degree. Now we will invert our setup. Now we will take a plane mirror like this and we will place it on our line MN with O as its center. Now we will place two nails on this line OA. I have placed both the nails exactly on the line OA. Let us consider these two nails as our object. Now we have to keep our eye on such a position so that the image or the reflection of these two nails are in the same direction inside the mirror. This is the position where both the nails are in the same direction inside the mirror. Now we will place two more nails in the straight line followed up by both the reflections of the nail. So these three nails are in the straight line. We will place one more such nail in the same straight line. Now all our nails are in the same straight line. Now we will remove the nails one by one. And mark those points. Now I will remove all the nails and the apertures of mirror. Invert this whole setup. Now let us try to join these two points with the center O. Now let us measure the degree of this angle with the help of a protractor. We will place the protractor on point O, taking as center. Here we can see that the line drawn by us is exactly 60 degree, which is same as what we have considered angle of incidence first. We can find on this protractor. From this protractor we can see that the line OA we have considered before is exactly at 60 degree, and the line which we have made by placing the nails is also at the exact 60 degree. Hence we can say that law of reflection is valid, since angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection is 60 degree. From this protractor we can see that the line OA we have considered before is exactly at 60 degree, and the line which we have made by placing the nails is also at the exact 60 degree. Hence we can say that law of reflection is valid, since angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection is 60 degree each. Thank you.